Chicago is 3 hours, 20 minutes. Our in-flight movie is Sherlock Holmes 2. Audio is available on Channel 1 once programming begins, and music programming is available on the other channels throughout the flight. In the main cabin, we'll be offering sandwiches, salads, snacks, and a la carte snacks for purchase. If you'd like to make a purchase on today's flight, please have a credit or debit card available. That does apply to alcoholic beverages as well. There is a menu in the back of the Hemispheres magazine, which you can find in the seat back pocket in front of you. The seatbelt sign is the captain's indication to you that he'd like you and your seats buckled in. When it's off, feel free to get up and move about. There are 2 lavatories in the rear of the main cabin and 1 between the cabins for use by either, but our forward lavatories for the use of our first class customers only. We appreciate your cooperation in these and all safety matters. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight.